Hello, good day everybody. Let us see what we got here. Okay, we have an ESP8266 Mini Pro D1 with an OLED displaying the value from a DHT11 on a 8266 NodeMCU. Okay, so it was a bit difficult because of all the setting, and it's not an easy thing to connect via Wi-Fi, but it worked. So it's working pretty well. Here are the codes. You can see when I reset it. Okay, let me see when I see. Reset. That's the other fruit. There we are, reset. Measure temperature and humidity from the DHT11 on the other microchip. So I will post the code of both. I have made a secret file, so I think I suggest you do the same. It's probably easier, and you have to, whatever you do it in future, you have your secret file with your username and password, and that's it. All you need is your IP address to pick up from this one. Let me show you. Your IP address from this one, and you put them on the code of this one so that you can read and connect. Okay? In any case, thank you very much. Have a good day, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.